Greetings from Shakthi International School. Here in this video, I'm going to show how to do the alignment in the document, text document. In here, we are using the application name as oo4KIDS Writer. Here, I have already given lot of some of the list over here in this document. List 1, 2, 3, 4. How many we need, we can write, and we can going to do a alignment over here. Here, after creating a data, we have to go to the alignment option, which is available in the format menu. It's a text formatting. We are doing some alignment, so it's called as a formatting. Usually, these kind of applications or these kind of options are available in the format menu in documents. So here, format menu, I'm having that alignment option. Here, default, we are having a left alignment. Now, suppose I need a right element, I can go here and click right. See here, you can see the right alignment. Again, I don't want this and I can go with the own left alignment. Again, we can reselect left alignment. Again, I'm going alignment. I can go with the center horizontal alignment. It is in center. There is no right or left. It's in center alignment. And then you are going here and clicking justify. See, justify means it's in equal space for the left and right side. So usually all the documents, whenever we are creating a document, we are going after typing everything, we are going with the justify option. Left alignment is defaultly, it is selected. If you don't want, we can remove and go with your own alignment, which you want. So this alignment option is available in the format menu. Alignment option, it has 4 different alignment: left, right, center, and justify. Okay, usually the default alignment for the text document is left alignment. So whenever you are using this document creation, you can go and use the format menu alignment option for better result for the alignment. Thank you, students.